Content. Main unit. Cable of limiter 2. User's manual. Shadow logo sticker. Double-sided tape. Plug into the connector. Monitor 10 kinds of vehicle information. It can display 2 kinds of information at the same time. It has 7 color atmosphere lights. There are 5 dashes of brightness can be adjusted. Able to read the temperature of DSG gearbox. Warning value setting. Press the button A to add value. Press the button B to subtract value. The red light will flash and an audible sound will alert the driver when the warning value is reached. Units can be adjusted according to user habits. ACC has manual mode and automatic mode. Able to choose the car brand. Left and right driving modes can be switched to suit each user's operating habits.